Hello Kitty Queens and Kitty Beauty Teas. Today I'm bringing y'all another slay, finally, so long awaited. So sit back and just keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by DSoar hair, and this is what the box looks like. Inside they sent me this pink bonnet along with a pair of eyelashes and of course the wig itself. So for my wig I have a 13x6 lace part, link number 24, and the color is like a 1B. This is what the lace looks like. I believe it came pre-plucked. On the inside of this wig, I have 3 combs at the top and then 1 at the bottom along with an adjustable strap. As y'all can see, I went ahead and just applied some foundation to my lace and cut it off camera. Now we're just about to quickly get into the installation process. So I just plopped it on my head to see how it was looking at first. And this is the texture body wave, by the way. So at this point I could already tell that the wig was looking a little loose and a little big, but I decided to install it anyway and show y'all how to finesse a wig that's too big. So I'm taking my Got To Be glue gel and I'm applying it around my edges, and I'm going to be using this to secure down my wig. Once I have the gel all applied, I'm just going to fan it in place using my hands. And excuse me y'all, I was singing. I don't know what I was singing to, but I was feeling it, girl. I was feeling it. So I'm just going to fan this in place until it's tacky. Then I'm just going to stick the lace on it. And this is where I was having problems, y'all. Since this wig was so big, the lace did not want to stick to my head. It had a lot of air bubbles in it. Every time I would get one side secured, a big bubble would pop in the other side. So that's basically why I decided to style it how I styled it. But I'm just gonna shut up and let y'all watch me sit up here and struggle and try to get as much lace down as possible. So after struggling so long, I just gave up with trying to glue down this side because it just wasn't going down. I got the other side pretty secure, but this side was just, it was tripping, girl, it was tripping. So I just tied my scarf around the edges, and I made sure I tied it real tight just in case, I don't know. I was thinking if it was enough tension, then maybe that side would be glued down once I took the scarf off, but yeah, I was mistaken. But anyway, I'm just gonna tie it tight. Now I'm just brushing out the hair, getting all the tangles and stuff out. And I love this hair, y'all. It's so thick and it really did not shed. The only thing was it was just too big for my head. That's the only problem. But now I'm taking some water, my spray bottle, and I'm spraying the top of this wig to get the flyaways to lay down, and then I'm gonna brush over them one more time to smooth them. I'm going to take my edge brush and use it to part this wig on the right side of my head, since that's the side that decided to adhere to my head. And then I'm going to take my wax stick and just mold down this part. And once I have it all waxed on, I'm going to go over it with my hot comb. I decided to repart my hair just because it got a little lost while I was hot combing it. Then I'm just going to proceed to hot combing the section of hair that I have parted to be my swoop. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and just lay down the other areas of this wig. To mold my swoop in place, I decided to go over it with some foam mousse and my edge brush just to get it as smooth as possible. Before I pinned it down, I decided to go ahead and section off the pieces of hair that I wanted to be my baby hair. Now I'm just smoothing the section back with my hands, making sure I bring it over my ears. And once I have it in the right placement, I'm going to clip it to make sure it's in the right spot. Then I'm going to just slide some bobby pins in it. And as you can see, it's down. So now I'm just brushing out this hair. As I told y'all, this hair is thick and it did not shed. I love this hair so much. I could have wore it wavy, but I want to wear it straight. So I'm just going to be flat ironing my hair using the chase method. Now that both sides of my hair are straightened, I'm just going to take the flat iron and press it on the top of my hair just to get it to lay down a little bit more, because it was looking real wiggy and I wasn't feeling it. But once I have it down, I'm going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. So I took my baby hairs out, as you can see, and I'm cutting it at an angle using some scissors. And then I'm just going to take some of that foam mousse and use it to lay them down. Once I have the baby hairs to my liking, I'm going to take a bandana and just tie it around my edges. I tried not to tie it too tight since, as you can see, it's laying right on top of my swoop, and I didn't want it to have any type of dents in it. I just wanted to tie it tight enough where my edges would just be laid to my head once I took it off. I went ahead and took the bandana off, so this is the finished look for my hair, and I decided to add some makeup off camera just to give y'all a final look. And this is the look that I came up with. As y'all can see, it's real nice, real cute, real pink. But last but not least, I went ahead and took some concealer from one of my brushes and just applied it in my part to try to disguise that line of demarcation between my lace and the wig. Well, my cap and the lace. As y'all can see, I applied it a little messy, but all in all, it still came out cute. I really love this hair, y'all. It was so thick, so easy to straighten, and it did not shed at all. The only con I have to say about this wig is that it was too big, and as you can see, I finessed the wig that was too big. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, DSoar Hair, for sending me this wig. If you would like to purchase this wig, the information will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe / follow my social media. Bye bye, queens.